Vehicle rolled over. Are they still inside?
Yeah, but the airbags are off. I can't see anybody, and the doors are locked.
Get out of there. Have you got them out or no?
No.
You can't.
They're still inside. Airbags
It just
deployed.
happened like 2 minutes ago.
If 2 minutes ago.
If 2 minutes
Let me
ago.
get some more units. I think they're going to be in trucks.
They're not.
Can you hear me?
Yeah.
All right. What's your name?
Linda.
What's that?
Linda.
Linda? All right, Linda. We're going to get you out of there, okay?
Yeah.
All right, dear. Is your seatbelt on? I got it, Fletch. Is your seatbelt on, ma'am?
Yes.
Are you hanging upside down?
Yes.
Okay. 11-4, I got the
can't
back
move.
window broken and I'm inside. She's hanging upside down from the seatbelt. What's that, dear?
I can't move.
I know you can't move. Just stay still, okay? We're going to get you out. Miss Linda, can you hear me?
Her face is in the water.
Get your head out of the water, Miss Give me a knife.
I got it. Give me a knife. We gotta cut around.
Miss Linda.
Yes.
Okay. Stay still. Don't move. I'm going to cut that seatbelt, okay?
Okay.
All right. Get on the radio and tell them what's going on.
Get her head out of the water.
Here. Shit. Miss Linda. Somebody grab my arm. Somebody grab her arm. Come on. Grab my arm, Miss Linda. John, get over here. I got her. Breathe. Breathe. Hold on. Hold still. Hold her still. You okay?
Just breathe.
11-4. I just cut her out. She was submerged. You're right. Breathe. Keep your head sideways. Let her give her a second. Hey, let's get back up. Yep. Can you hold that? Yep. Oh, Miss Linda, here we go. We got you. We got it. Watch that. Hold on. Watch your step. Hold on. You going head first? Yeah. All right. We gotta go head first. Watch your back. You want to swap out with? Got it?